Hello guys, today 24th May and welcome to Ultimate Forex. Uh, Today we will discuss gold, Bitcoin, S&P 500 and another forex pair. So let's start with the gold. This is 1 hour chart of gold. So this is how I label. This is 1, 2 and 3. Fourth is triangle correction and fifth is running as a diagonal. So we are here. In last week we have seen good moves up to the 1764, then the correction up to the 1718. So this is I labeled as a diagonal correction because this third wave and this fourth wave has penetrated this first wave. So this is happen only in diagonal waves. So I labeled as a fifth wave as a diagonal waves, and the target of the fifth wave is around 1800. But if we close below this one, 1717, then this label is nullified. Then we may see a deep correction. Yeah. So this is the how. If this is the 1, 2, 3, fourth, and if we consider this is as a fifth wave ending here as 1765, then we are correction is like this: A B C, A B C up to the 1764, like this: A B C, A B C, and like this: 1 2 3 4 fifth. So if we consider fifth wave completed here, like this is whole waves: 1 2 3 4 and fifth. If we consider fifth wave completed here, then we may see a deep correction up to the 1620. But if this is the fifth wave extended diagonal waves, then 1 2 3 4 and fifth will be 1804. So important level is here. We have to break this line first, and we have to close above this area. This is around 1752. If we completed above this 1752, then we may see up to the 1800, like this. We may see one correction and go. So there is two scenario. One is we may see like this: A B and C, then downfall, and one is 1 2 3 4, this is fifth. So this area is important: 1753, near 53. We have to give close above this one for the target of 1800. So this is how I label for the gold. So next week important level is we should not give close above the below this trend line for the uptrend. This is the trend line, and the low of this trend line is around 1717. We may give one D correction here and then uptrend. Let's see US Bitcoin. This is the price action of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in uptrend, so here it has given one triple top, and here it will be give double top. So head and shoulder pattern like this. One is shoulder, head, and it is one shoulder is unfold here. So this area is important. If we break this trend line like this, if we break this trend line and again retest here, then you can sell here for the target of lower. And if it give the support here, then it will go upside. If it is support like this, and we may see like so above this resistance, it will give a new high up to the 10,550. So this is trend line is important for the next week. Next is S&P 500. Okay, this is 4-hour chart. So this is wave 1, 2, 3, then fourth is as a complex correction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We may see fifth wave up to the 2992 or 3024. So this area 2977, we have to look out here the price action, then we may see a dip up to the 2911 and then fifth wave. So you can see this one. This is S&P 500. Next, USD CAD. This is 0, 1, 2, 3 is running, 4, fifth. Let's see the extension of the third wave. It may up to the 1.411, then we may see a correction, then fifth wave. So third wave is continue presently, this is continuing, and this is the trend line of the third wave. We may see give higher level. Next, AUD USD. Aussie dollar. here 1 2 3 4 and 5th, then this A B C. So this is the 0 A B C. A, we may see B and C. This B will be up to the near 61.8, and then we may see a C wave like this, A B C. Crude oil. Last week we have given buy signal around 30. Now you can see the wave like this, 1 2 3 4 and 5th. We are here, we are near 33.75, and the target of the third wave is $44. Then we may see correction up to the 38, and we may see a fifth wave up to the 52. So this is the 1 2 3 4 5th. Next week support and resistance is, this is the supply and demand zone between 31.59 to 30.72. this is the supply zone, and demand zone, and this is the supply zone. Closing above the 34.64, closing above this high, we may see a swift move up to the $44. So keep in mind this level above 34.700 for the target of 44. Pound Swiss yen, GBP CHF, yeah, this correction is going to completed here, 1.1729. then wave 1, this is 2 is yet running, this is not completed here, this may complete around here. This is A, B and C, 1.17600, around 1.17600, and this is the C wave, third wave. So the target of the third wave is around 161 percentage, so it is around 1.21. so this is good risk reward ratio if we buy around this one with the stop loss of is low, so you may get risk reward with the stop loss 1.17245, buying level 1.17654, and target is 1.2900. so 7.8 risk reward. So this is the good pair for the next week. We have to see the price action near this completion of the C wave around 1.17600. so you note down this pair for the next week, it will give a good profit. Pound Swiss franc, and you can buy also breakout of this trend line, yeah, one deep, one deep, you may see a waves like this, Here second wave will be completed, then first wave, this is second, third, fourth and fifth. You can buy here also with the SL of this low. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. See you next week. Thank you.